Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time I'm demonstrating one of the earlier Learjet Stereo 8 players. These are definitely they got a cast steel base. That's how old they are. That's how much money they put in the stuff back then. Some of these earlier Learjets actually had direct drive motors where the capstan was also the motor. That lasted just a few models, and then they went with just a regular old motor. This one came to me missing a couple of things. It was missing this part here, so I had to fabricate that. That just transfers the motion to the track change mechanism when you want to change tracks. And we've determined that this unit is best to be converted to be just an aux source for an external amplifier, because the customer wanted to hook all kinds of speakers and a 50-watt subwoofer to this puny little amplifier. So we decided that it's best to just make this into an aux source for an external amplifier that can drive a 50-watt subwoofer and all the other kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and pop in Neil Sedaka and make sure this puppy works. My receiver is going to shut down on overload when this thing kicks on, so we're going to turn it up gradually. Alrighty, make sure you got both speakers. Okay, you switch tracks a bunch of times. Alrighty, and pull the tape out, and that's it. There's not much to test on a converted 8-track player because the controls no longer have any effect, because all that will be done at the amplifier or the radio now. Only thing that still works is the track change button, which of course I fabricated. So we're good to go here. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen an ancient Learjet come back to life, thanks to my skills and service. You can reach me through my website below. Thank you so much for watching, listening, and thank you. This comes from Trevor in looks like either Gardena or Gardena, California. I'm going to have to do a MapQuest search to make sure I send it back to the right city. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and we'll see you guys next time.